Hello, today we are going to look at adding plagiarism detection and rubrics in the Canvas learning management system. So if we go into an individual assignment like essay and it's already set up as a file submission, this is where a plagiarism tool like Turnitin or Unicheck could be added onto Canvas and automatically integrated. So it would be a box that you would check right here and you could turn on the plagiarism detection, but that is an additional product that you have to purchase. So now let's look at how to create a rubric in Canvas. We're going to begin by selecting rubrics from the list on the left. Then we're going to go to Add Rubric in the top right corner. From here, we're going to give our rubric a title, and then we're going to start adding the ratings and the criterion. Canvas comes already set up with an analytic rubric. So to make my ratings for my rubric, I'm going to click on the plus sign in the middle and I'm going to create my different rating levels, 1 through 4, and I'm going to give them a title and a description, and then I'm going to update them. After I'm done with that, I can go over to the left-hand side and edit my criterion by giving it a name and also a description. When I am done with that, I can go in the left-hand corner there and click the plus sign by criterion, and I can duplicate the criterion before that and then just make the edits to it that I need. So I'm going to continue doing that until my rubric is completed with 4 different criterion. So there's my finished rubric, and now I just need to click on Create Rubric, and my rubric will be automatically saved. Now let's attach the rubric to a particular assignment. I'm going to attach a rubric by going over to the left-hand side and selecting Assignments. After I select assignments, I'm going to choose the assignment from the list that I want to attach the rubric to. I'm going to hit plus rubric, and then in the right-hand corner, I'm going to select Find a Rubric. And there I'll see the rubric that I just created for discussion questions. I'm going to click on that rubric and select Use this rubric. Now, my rubric is attached to that particular assignment. So let's go back in and check that the rubric has been attached to the assignment. So I'm going to click on Assignments, then click on Discussion Questions, and I'll see my rubric attached to the discussion question assignment. Thank you so much for watching.